Hello, second grade. So today you are going to be working on your Pixie 4 sequence story creations. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the file folder down here at the bottom and you're going to double click it open. When that happens, you're going to go up to Documents and you're going to double click on Documents. And don't look at any of these folders because you had an individual project. It starts off numerically, which is in 1, 2, 3 order, and then it goes in alphabetical, A, B, C, D, and you're going to find your first name and then your last name. Now, I'm using the scroll wheel on my mouse. You can click on this bar and scroll it down, or you can use the arrows up here to move back and forth. So I need to find my first name, which is Natalie, Breen, and Pixie. There it is. Now, as you can see, okay, I have it. So it has a little picture of a Pixie, the Pixie software right there. So I am going to double click it open. And today we are going to be working on our second page of our Pixie story sequencing creation. So when I go, I'm going to go to page 1. And I can see this page 1. Now I've been working on it, but I need to show you how to add more pages. We're going to not do anything on page 1. We're going to work on the second page. Now, the first page was something about something that you did over the summer. And I went cave exploring. So this is my example of my painting for cave exploring. And then our next page, so I'm going to go up to here to add a page, and I'm going to click on it, and it's going to give me a blank page. Now, I can go through each one of my pages by clicking on these arrows, okay? And I can go on to page 2. So page 2 is something about school. You can draw a picture of a school bus, or coming to the big school, or meeting your teacher, or your favorite class, or whatever the case is, something about school. So today you're drawing something about school. I think that I'm going to do shapes, and I am going to create a bus. So I'm going to make the bus like this, and then I think I'm going to draw the front of the bus and the top of the bus, and then I'm going to do some wheels on the bus, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to paint the bus. So I'm going to choose paint fill and the color, and I'm going to do yellow, and the tires are going to be black. So I'm going to fill that in. Maybe if I wanted to do a road, and I'm going to do a crayon, and I want the road to be a little lighter, and I also want it to be larger, I can go like this, so it looks like it's driving down the road. I can create the background, say maybe if I wanted to have a really, actually I think I'm going to do a blue background, and I'm going to go like this. And there we go. I can also do some more details if I wanted, like the windows on the bus. I can fill that in too, and so on and so forth. So you're going to keep on drawing your second page. When you are all done, at the very end of class, everybody's going to do it. You're going to go up to the word Save, and you're going to click on it. And when you have saved it, this pops open. And then it won't let you save anymore unless you make some changes. So if I go and I make some changes and I put, like, I don't know, maybe like a tree or a bush over here, okay, then it's going to say, hey, do you want to make some more changes? It's going to open up that availability to make the save again. I'm going to save it. So there you go. When you're all done, you're going to go up to this big X, and you're going to X out, and you're going to X out, and then you're going to log off. So you're all good.